Today I'm going to show you how to create tags and filters inside of WatchGuard System Manager or WSM or inside the Web UI. When you're in the WatchGuard Web UI and you want to create tags on your firewall policies, head over to the firewall section and go to firewall policies. Under here, let me show you how to do this. So I'm going to use this FTP one as an example. So I'm going to checkbox it. And you can do this to multiple, so you don't even have to do it to this to one in the Web UI. So let's do that. Let's do the bottom one too, the outbound rule. I'm going to go over here and click New Tag, hit Deny. And then I'm just going to make it red, and you'll see why in a second. So if you can tell over here, now it's actually showing up and it's red. One of the nice things about creating tags is you're able to filter on them. So one thing I can do really quick is just click on Deny. So every deny rule that I have a tag, now I can see when it's denied. So now let's just create a new filter. And on this new filter, I'm just going to call it Deny Filter. I'm going to select Deny and then click OK. So now in here, I have a new filter called Deny Filter. The Web UI seems to make this a little bit easier than WSM, but overall it's not terrible. If you wanted to manage your tags, you just head over to Action, you go to Tags, and in here you can rename it, change the color, or even remove it. And save it down. And at that point, your tag is removed. When you're in the Policy Manager inside of WSM, you can actually select multiple policies that you want to add a tag to. So in here, I'm just going to go down to Policy Tags, Add Policy Tag, create a new one. And we're going to do the exact same one as we did before. Here we can select color, and I'm going to hit OK. And now you can tell we actually have a tag called Deny. So if I come up here to Filter, I can click on, and this came over from actually the Web UI, Deny Filter. But if I want to change that or customize it, let's try that now. So let's go back to None, and let's go here and click on Manage Filters. I'm going to remove this one just because I don't need it right now. And as you come over here, you can tell it's not there. So after you created your filter, you can go to your tags. And inside your tags, you can actually select Deny. And once you select Deny, guess what? You're only going to see your tag that's denied. And here I can actually save a filter and call it Deny Filter. And now when you look at your filters, you're going to see it, and once you don't want the filter anymore, you can remove it. Another location you can actually manage your tags in is under View. So if you go to View, Policy Tags, and in here you can either add a tag, we have already done, or you can apply a tag. You can click Remove from Policy, or you can manage the policies. Just like you had in the Web UI, the functionality is still here, it's just slightly different in slightly different spots. I'm going to remove this one right now, and it's just going to prompt me, are you sure you want to remove it, because it's applied to policies. I'm going to click OK. Hey, thanks for watching my video. If you like this, please give me a like and subscribe. If you'd like to suggest further content, comment below. Also, please let me know how I did. And if there's anything I missed, thanks for watching.